Hello, in this video we'll manually redact a document. Start by selecting some documents. You can select up to 10 at a time. Select Redact from the Modify menu at the top or the Redact button in the pane on the right. Manual redaction can be done one document at a time. As you confirm redaction, the selected documents are removed from this list. Drag over text to redact. By selecting text, all occurrences of that text will be marked for redaction across the document. You can click Unmark to remove any of them. Next, we'll draw an area selection. Click and drag diagonally through the area you want to mark. You can move the box around to ensure that it completely covers what you need, and resize it by grabbing the corner and dragging. Area selections can be repeated for all pages or for select ones. You can also search for terms. By searching, you can choose which found occurrences you want to mark. Toggle Preview to verify. Your original document is held in the background, and a redacted PDF will show in your data room. You'll notice that in the upper left the list of selected documents is reduced by 1. In the Documents tab, a redaction marker icon is shown to project admins and roles with access to redaction. In the Redaction tab, selecting a document gives you access to the original version. In the lower right, you can view, print, or download it. In the upper right, you can remove the redaction and restore your original document to the data room by clicking Replace with Original. If you have any questions about the redaction process, contact us. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching.